So first what I'm gonna do is kind of cut in where the toes will be. Kind of just like that. And I'm kind of pushing in on this side a little bit more. So we can kind of give it its indent shape there. And then move it towards the heel. You guys see this okay? Okay, good. I have to pick it up. I just kind of bring that all back to the heel there. You can see from the side, that's looking pretty cute. A little bit on the tiny side now. So I'll just push that up a little bit more. And kind of stretch it out a little bit again too. Okay.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.